bought me the Elgato 15 button with something else. They shipped it together from Amazon. Amazon claimed it was slightly used for $50 off with no blemishes. So that's what I'm hoping for. Obviously that is the other package, and that's the Elgato. I've never really had them ship me anything like this where it's wrapped inside of its wrap. But let's unbox it. Love Amazon when they're like it's used. I don't ever expect to get like the box, and there's the box. To me, that's basically brand new. So there's the front of it. Let's move you guys a little bit closer. There we go. There's the front. Evolve your content. Elgato. Side of it, 15 customizable buttons. Adjustable stand. The new model actually has it built in, but to me, I like the adjustable. I don't care for how it really looks, this model, but all that extra bracketing and all that. But I think it's a lot more needed for my different setups, especially when you're using like a steering wheel. You may need a different angle because it's going to be a different place on my desk. I was using the Stream Deck on my tablet, but my internet just is not stable enough for it to be successful. Oh, that's nice. It has a nice padded top on it. Keep it all safe. Oh, look at that. Looks pretty nice. I'll take the instructions out first. Quick start guide. If you guys want to read this, pause it, screenshot it, look at your screenshot. Pretty simple. Nice that it just kind of fits in its own little category, little spot. The Elgato warranty stuff. And then the Elgato. I'm going to put it to the side. To me it feels brand new. There's the stand. It doesn't feel like it's ever been out. There's one adjustment. And then you can go clear up to there, which doesn't feel like much. Here, I'll put my switch on it. It holds the switch even pretty well. Has a nice little padded spot right there. I think it may even kind of lock in. Yeah. It's got a little ledge. So it locks in there, and then a nice little cushion to hold it. That's pretty nice. Doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels very well built. Has 4 little pads on the back to keep it on a nice surface from moving. Put that like that. Here's the Elgato itself. Oh, the buttons are nice and soft. They feel gel. They feel like gel, but not like the sticky gel where they will collect a lot of dirt. That one has a little knob on it, kind of like your keyboard would, so you know where your fingers are at. That's pretty nice. So if you're kind of off to the side touching it, you can at least feel that. Didn't know it had that. That's pretty nice. Standard USB. The new one's actually USB-C. Feels super heavy. It feels like there's a lot of components in there. Feels pretty balanced. Can't really do that with my finger. It feels balanced. The heaviness is clear across like that. Feels like a nice metal finish on the front. The new one also has customizable front covers you can put on it. What's it say on the back here? Just a bunch of gibberish. It also has little feet in case you just want to use it on your standard desk. I like that. That's pretty nice. And then this is actually notched out for them feet. So they've thought of a lot of stuff. Definitely not your cheap entry model kind of thing. There is other models, but you just don't get the software backing it. It feels like it could go through an earthquake and not even fall off there. One thing I don't care for too much, but they had to do it. I think they should have put the cord recessed in here, and when it's on the table it'll go into a groove and come out the top like that. And if you do it like this, because of that recessedness, it could be pulled out of that groove and then be pulled out at a lower angle down here. That would have been pretty cool. Wish they would have thought of that, because the cord comes out the top. I don't quite care for that. But other than that, because I'm a cordless guy, I don't like any cords on my desk. I actually have holes through my desk and power cords coming up to charge all my devices and run my tablet and everything. There's no cords to be seen on my desk. Yeah, guess we'll get this thing plugged in and see how hard it is to set up. My desk is a mess, but we're gonna see if I can get this done. I'm gonna go ahead and unravel the cord. You're also looking at my desktop right now. Since I was already using the Stream Deck on my tablet, I already have the app downloaded. I don't really know if it's the one. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that into my computer and look at the screen and see what all it does. I'm gonna have you guys looking right at the deck itself. See if it does anything. Plugging it in right now. Flashes like a lightning bolt. Shows the Elgato. Do you want to copy? Well, isn't that nice? Okay, so this is actually the software, or not the software. This is actually what my tablet was called. It was a Gateway 8-inch. I'm gonna go ahead and click copy, and hopefully it just copies everything straight to it. And it did. It's all right there, like instantly. You guys are watching it live. That was super cool. It's hard to get it into the actual view. Oh man, that looks so fine. I don't know if I can get you guys any closer to it. I can zoom you up. Nah. I'm gonna push just to get out of that menu, because that's not quite my best menu. But okay, so some of it's a bit messed up. That's pretty cool. Most of my Stream Deck is for voice mod, but that normally takes me to my main. Oh, can't see that. Okay, yeah, it should take me there. There's my main. I had to cut that video a little bit. I actually have porn on here under the dirty one. Under dirty, there's a lot of stuff that can't be seen on YouTube. So this is what is showing on my Elgato. I'm gonna reach over here and hit a. I gotta make sure that these actually go to random. That's supposed to go to random. That's supposed to go to angry. It kind of messed it up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. That one goes to barbecue 1. This is kind of all my own stuff, really. You guys wouldn't. You'd have to really look at other people's videos to understand what all this is. So it did mess up my presets, but now if I hit random, it should go to my random page. It's my random page. That should go to random 2, and it's going to Amy. It keeps going to the wrong one, so I'm gonna have to. That should go to main. So it looks like it. Now it'll go back to my main when I hit that. I want to do this one, which I just want to show you how cool this is. If you do voice and recording, I need it to actually go to voice mod. Let me hit that, and then that needs to go to recordings. And I hit that. Nope, didn't do it. Oh, we're on record. Oh, there we go. It's pretty cool, because if I hit that button, it updates, tells me there, and then I can start a timer, because I do a lot of 5-minute videos for people. You just hit that, turns green, starts counting. Really like that. That's really sexy. So Alt F4 will close my game immediately. I don't know if you guys can really see any of that really well. It's beautiful how well it comes in. Look how well that comes in. don't want to push any of these buttons because it's actually content I'm using right now. It's running the speed test on my network, which will come back and say your internet is shit. So that was so simple. I did not think it would be that easy. It copied everything to it, but I do have to go through now and mark, like, this ain't gonna take me to main. Everything wants to take me there for some reason, to a page called Amy. I did put it on a kind of a slippery surface for the pads it has underneath it, and it seems like it's actually holding pretty well when I hit one of the buttons. Don't want to really hit the wrong buttons because it is taking me to bad places. I push that. Here, I'll turn this on so you can hear it. I did not even have to do anything. You guys watch this live. If I push this, it will... That's me fart sound. Who knows what that is, but sometimes you just gotta play something like that. Let's go back to main. Oh, see, like the main button didn't work there. All these need to be set back up, which is not too bad.
I'm gay.
Pretty cool stuff there. Packy should take you to Packy. And then it's a bunch of... It's really cool though, that just worked. So, if I want to... Look, it's typing it in as I type it in. That's pretty neat. Main page. Now when I click main, it will take me back to main. Let's do... I don't have really any activate... Let's see if that activation whenever... Feels like you've really got to push it in though. Like, hard. Still running a speed test. That's probably because my internet's just junk. I guess we'll click this one and see if it does it. It should pop up on my screen saying it took a screenshot. Oh, that's only when I'm in a game. I'm gonna launch a game. Actually, let's launch. Let's put that on main. Let's put this. If I put this here and tell it to launch a game, it should launch a game. Oh, let's go under my Steam. Steam. Okay. Most of these games I don't even have installed. Just trying to find one that is installed. Need for Speed Heat is installed. I think I know what to find. Okay, so it's not gonna launch it. So one of these will actually be the launch, but I don't have it on here. Let's delete that. So that's open. It'll just open a file, which would be nice. I could actually tell it to open. I just want to show you it opens it does what it's supposed to do here. Let's open my file like that. Can I do that? Okay, that one. Oh Jesus, it just wants to... Why does it now want to launch? So it's gonna launch a video. There. Now when I click on that, it'll launch Rainbow Six. There, popped right. Man, that is quick. I'm used to the other Elgato. That's pretty cool. So that is the unboxing and setup, I guess. Setup was super simple. That's my type of setup. Just make sure you download the Steam Deck. Yeah, find it online. It says in the instructions that were in my unboxing where to get the software at. No, not that Steam Deck. Stream Deck. Sorry. There we go. Well, if it ever loads, let's go see if it ever figured out how fast my internet was. The only thing I don't like is you gotta like really push the buttons, like clear in. You can't like put. See, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm like kind of pushing it to the side. That don't count. You gotta fully push it in. There we go. Well, that sucks because that's what I use. That's kind of nice. Get one year voice mod when you buy this. That's the new one. So it has the built-in. Oh no, that ain't the new one. Ain't a new one at all. That's that one. I wish I could show you guys like movement in the keys, but the only movement I have is under my sexual ones. Yeah, I actually show like movement on here. You know what? Let's go get one. Let's look up a farting GIF. No, I'm not obsessed with farting. So, well, show you how easy it is to put a GIF on there. That one looks like it could be potentially funny. Let's look at that. Is it gonna be a real GIF? Are any of these gonna be GIFs? Oh my god. Come on, play. Do I have to click on it again to get it to play? Okay. See how the fire's coming out? Okay, that one's super slow. I think it'll speed up once I get it downloaded. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on my computer. Save it. Should come up with a little download. There we go. That should get downloaded. I'll watch the downloading. So here is the download. Select your product. Pick your Stream Deck, Windows, and that's what I just downloaded. Pretty simple. And it looks just like what I'm doing with. So it ain't too hard. Elgato up in the top right. So let's get rid of that. See if that download has downloaded yet. It is downloaded. Okay. So to put that on your Elgato, we're going to randomly put something here. Sound a fly bugging me. Let's go change an actual fart. Angry and fart. Let's change that one. I don't really care for that one. So we are going to create a new icon. Whoops, that's not the one. That takes you to the web. Set from file. Now where I downloaded that, you just want to go, click on it, fart fire, and as you can see, he's blowing a fart. Didn't even take that long either. So with that file that you got, you want to keep it. You got to cut it, put it somewhere. I think I put mine under my music files. Voice Mod Pro. And I put mine under Stream Deck Photos. Fuck, man. So that was a mess, but you want to put under your Stream Deck Photos. I accidentally just opened that and showed my porno ones that I keep on here. Not my porn, but my actual like icons, because I have dirty ones. So I just put that in there, and it should still be on here farting. As you can see on here, it's farting and blowing a fart. Pretty cool. And there we go. That's the setup. Didn't really download this for you because I already had it downloaded. But other than that, it plugged in. It worked perfect so far. Doesn't have a sound on it or anything, so you can't make it like an alarm system on it or anything. Maybe the second one has that. I don't know. This is gonna be the first gen. And thanks for watching.